I want to show you how to create dynamic charts right within Excel that automatically update the colors and the labels anytime I change my target. So step number one, we got to start with a set of data. I have this set of data. It's looking at 12 months of sales data. So I've got the 12 months here and all of my sales revenue. And then I added a few extra columns, and I want to show you these because they're going to play into how we design this chart. So I added this on target and off target columns. And in those columns, there's a simple formula. It's an if statement saying if the value or the sales revenue is greater than or equal to the target, which I put up here, 15K for that month, then show it to me, else don't show it to me. And I did the same thing in the target column. So it's splitting out my values into each of these two columns based whether or not they're on target or off target. So now that I have this set up, I'm ready to build the chart. And so we need to go back to what's the business question my audience wants to answer with this data. And you saw it over here in the beginning. It's which months fell below our monthly sales target. So we're going to try to reveal those in a powerful visual way. So the first thing I want to do is hold down the control key, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the month column, and then I'm also going to select the on and off target column. So I have those three columns selected, and then I'm going to go up to charts, and I'm just going to pick a 2D or a horizontal bar to show you one quick way to do this. I'm going to make it bigger so that you can see it. So let's just blow it up a little bit. And then I'm also going to make the font a little bigger. So I love to use Cabin. It's one of my favorite fonts. I'm going to make it bigger, and I'm going to make all the values black so they jump out a bit more. So there you go. You've got the chart. And already it automatically, because I have those two columns, colored these. Orange for off target and a dark blue for on target. But let's now clean this chart up. First of all, let's go grab our business question. So I'm just going to copy it over from this other tab and drop it in here as the chart title, because one of the principles I love to teach is let's use intuitive questions to drive clarity and then answer the question, the business question our audience cares about, with the visual. I'm going to take a few things out of here. I don't need these horizontal lines in the back. And I'm going to show you something with data labels. So I'm going to remove the values on the y-axis for now. The other thing you'll notice is these bars are a little off-centered. That's because there's actually two side-by-side bars in here. One of them has no value, the other one has value. So you can actually go over to the series options, and the way to fix this is set your overlay to 100%, and then while I'm here I can play with these gap widths too. So now we've got this really balanced look.